So guys, I will tell you how to make the a flying machine. So first you need the materials to required to make the plane. So first you need seven slime blocks, then two observers, then 1 dozen sea lantern, and one piston and one sticky piston. So with these materials you can build a flying machine in so simple. So I'll show you how to build this plane. First you build a tower like this way, and build it as much high as you can, so that the machine will work nicely and will go in all directions and will according to that, and does not hit any building, because this is a city now. There are so many tall buildings. So if you make it too the slow terrain, so it will crash on a building. So you should make on a heavy on a tall area, so that the plane can go easily. So you're done. So others you don't no need to do it. So I'll break it off. So I've already break off the tower. So you make like this, two slime bug like this, then one observer like this way, built in this way, so that it's moving, seeing on the back. So then put one piston, then again two slime block, and one here, one here. Then put a sticky piston. Then after you put that, then put some slime block. So it's almost ready. So it's not only some metal server. First you have to put the observer like this way, not like this way, otherwise it will face like that side. So you have to look the observer in looking up. So how to do that I'll show you. So you should go down and you should look up and point at it and make it, and you should this should be like this way, so that it's looking up. See, he's looking up, so the observer is looking up. So it's ready. Now you have to insert some blocks out here, sea lanterns, one here and one here, and one here, one here. So one put here. Okay, now it's almost ready, our plane flying machine. So it's ready to go. So let's see how it works. Let it go. Now you just put a block onto the observer like this. It's not working as it makes. Put another slime block. Now to relax it. It's working. Wait, took some time. Like this way. Will it work now? Oh shit, I made a mistake. So make like this way. I make the base. I forgot to have again broke out the what a silly kind of. Make like this. This no, not like this. And piston. Oh gosh, oh god. It's just one mistake from me, so I mistakenly broke out these things. So don't mind. So it's going. See, looking that, guys. See, it's moving. It's no hack mode. It's going by its own. You see, by this machine I am going out. See, that is my home. Bye bye home. So I am going straight to that way. Have you seen my machine? So easy. If you want to see it again, you can see again. I'll build another machine in just 5 minutes. Like this. Another here. Then break all these ones. 1, 2. then observer here this way, then once piston again, then one sticky piston right here. Then you should insert some slime block, then you should put the observer this way. It's pretty fast, so it's looking upwards, so you put some like this here. Okay, now let's see it does goes. See, this one also is going. So this is the kayak. Have you seen it? So if you are giving any doubt, you can comment me in the YouTube channel by AD Gaming. So please guys, please like and subscribe my channel, and please share also. I hope you like this, and it's very easy, very simple to make this, very easy. So thank you and bye bye.